Hey guys, what's happening? How to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to Revolut. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead to the App Store or Google Play. And then gonna make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Now, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna launch the app on your phone, obviously, and tap on crypto in the bottom menu. And then tap on send and choose the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw, maybe Solana, USDT, whatever, okay? Now what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just click copy the Revolut address. Click on the withdrawal, right? From the appropriate menu, you're gonna find it right here at the bottom, the yellow button. Maybe you won't be able to see it, but it's gonna be shown, right? And basically, copy the Revolut wallet address and use the QR code provided. Okay. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just launch the Phantom Wallet app on your mobile device. Okay. So I'm gonna confirm via facial recognition, obviously, and I'm gonna wait for a few moments. And just like the example, I use Solana, right? So I'm gonna select Solana right here, the coin. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and buy it or swap it or whatever. So I'm gonna go back right here and hit send right at the top. You're gonna find it under the funds or the balance. Go ahead, the second option. And then I'm gonna select Solana. Okay. And then I'm gonna enter the username or address, okay, which we copied in the first step. Okay. And basically move along to the confirm or move along to verify the address, okay, and then send the token, okay, and paste the link that you just copied from the Revolut and double check the address in the amount, obviously, and confirm that transaction. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next time.